Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And there was a lot of outcry last week when the CEO of Logitech has decided to talk about a forever mouse that would be a subscription mouse. And this started a kind of a war in many blogs around Logitech equipment from users saying, enough about the subscription hardware and things. We don't need subscriptions to pay something as a subscription for a mouse. What a dumb idea, and so on. CEO came back, of course, with an answer saying, "We're not planning any of these products. It's just an idea sent out there to talk about some, the future of hardware." And it just didn't help. It created more of a stir saying, yeah, so you're thinking about, making more money by having subscriptions for updates for mouse. And it continued and continued until, pretty much the CEO just said, look, we're not doing, it's not a planned product. And, I totally understand the outcry of we already have too many subscriptions. Why pay for stuff that you're using and have to pay every month? And already HP has been in hot water because a lot of people have been saying that the HP printer hink scam of subscription. And a lot of people are moving away from HP and saying, no, I'm going to buy some other device, some other printer, because this is, close to a scam. And I've seen a lot of people kind of not happy with that. So of course, Logitech, I don't think will go there because of the outcry. And honestly, it is the most dumb idea that I can see of a subscription for a mouse, for updates and so on. We don't need that. Probably people would buy other brands of mice if they would be stuck with Logitech doing that. But, sometimes CEOs are kind of disconnected, I think, with the reality of the user base. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.